JAD, my chart is green. I assume I'm a financial genius now.
Careful! That might just be a bull market inflating your confidence. A bull market is a sustained period when prices generally trend higher and optimism grows.
So the market develops swagger?
Premium swagger.
Finally, a market that understands branding. And the bear?
Prices generally trend lower, confidence weakens, and fear increases. In crypto, there's no single official percentage that defines it.
Grumpy market.
Easy memory trick. Imagine the bull lifting prices upward with its horns,
while the bear swipes downward.
Finance finally meets wildlife.
Fictional example. Bitcoin rises from $50,000 to $65,000 over several months. That broader movement could represent a bull trend.
Not one green candle?
Exactly.
Wait, prices can fall inside a bull market?
Absolutely. Bulls have pullbacks. Bears have rallies. The broader trend matters more than one dramatic day.
Markets love plot twists.
Bull market danger?
FOMO. Bear market danger?
Panic.
So emotions buy high and sell low.
Unfortunately, they're very talented at that.
Watch the trend.
Time frame, risk, and your plan, not the animal costume.
Bulls charge, bears swipe, discipline stays seated.
Now that's market intelligence.
Excellent. So I am a financial genius. Put it on my resume. If you want to see the full version, go to the JD ROCH Index YouTube channel. Tremendous channel. The best.